If you guys like how I do my chart analysis on YouTube and you want to learn how to do it yourself, click the link below to check out the Vee Trades technical analysis course. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Alliance Resource Partners with the ticker symbol ARLP. This was a viewer's request, and thank you for your donation. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only, does not constitute any financial advice. I will first cover what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. Here we have the daily chart for ARLP, and it looks very good. This is a nice uptrend for quite a long time. Prices continue to make higher highs, higher lows, and the EMA is pointing up. So this is what you call an uptrend. So this is where traders continuously buy the dip, and that's why we keep on getting bounces off this trend line. You can see this trend line has been working higher for a while now, since pretty much the beginning of this year. So every time we come back to the support side of the channel, you can see that traders are buying the dip because there's a strong possibility we're going to continue with the trend, and they want to get in at a discount. So this trend is still in play. No signs of weakness as of right now because we're still inside of it. Looks like we're finding a little bit of resistance at this midline, which is the dash line, but I'm pretty sure we're just going to break through it, and we're going to make a new all-time high. New high will eventually be made. There's a very good probability of that occurring. Do I see a target past that? Yes, I do. You can see that this is a potential move up right here, and then we are in the formation of the second leg, and this target is right around the 2246 level, which I'll mark with the horizontal line. Do I see another target? Yes, I do also. It's a more closer one based on since April. The price action is a more recent target, so it might be more reliable. And this one's right around the 2310 level. So I'm looking for a new high, and then the mid 20s to the high 20s is probably my next target after that. What would make me change my mind is that we find a lot of resistance maybe at this $21 level, and then we just start downtrending. But even if we do get a break of this channel, there's still a reason to continue higher, because this is the first break of pattern, and normally first breaks of patterns trap traders, and we're probably going to see a reversal back up to the highs. So there's a couple of things going to be holding prices up. The first one is the channel. The second one is, even if we do break the structure, which is this channel working higher, textbook says we will go back up to retest the previous extreme. So this bunch of good reasons why we should still continue higher no matter what. But again, nothing's guaranteed. Sometimes price action cannot work through a level and it starts trending in the opposite direction. That does occur. As right now, I'm not seeing that. I'm expecting higher price targets. I'm pretty sure everyone else would, looking at this chart. There's no reason to be a bear. So I'm looking for higher price targets. I'm not sure when this will be reached, but if I were to just give a guess, probably sometime in August, early to mid-August, when this target could be achieved, judging by the angle that prices are approaching this target. So that's everything I see for the daily chart. Let's go and wrap this up on the weekly chart. Here we have the weekly chart for Alliance Resource Partners, and you can see that's kind of like a big U formation. We basically saw a crash down, then some sideways action, which is some consolidation pattern. Basically, this is when sellers are just done selling. They're just not sure if they should continue lower. Then you see the buyers step in the market, trapping a bunch of shorts out of this position. And ever since then, we've been continuing higher. You can see that we have not been below the weekly EMA since November of 2020. You can see that every time we pull back up to it, pull back near it, it sends prices higher. So this is a good sign. It means that we should be continuing higher for the foreseeable future. But again, we can't ignore resistance. Traders are also trying to pick tops. They're trying to take the opposite side of traders buying the market. They're trying to sell. and there is reasons to be a little bearish. You can see that we are near a prior strong resistance level, which is the $20 level, 2088 to be exact. So you see that we got rejected there so many times in the past before breaking down lower. Now we're coming back up to get up to it again after getting rejected, because we did get rejected in early June. But with this momentum on our side, I think we're gonna break it. Is that guaranteed? No, I'm expecting the break because in the past you can see that these uptrends were kind of weak and not as large as the one we're facing right now. So can this resistance level turn around prices that have been going up since November 2020? Maybe, but it's just unlikely in my eye. So I think we're gonna break it this time and then probably continue higher. If we do continue higher, where are we going? Possible measured move is this one right here. This was the first leg up, and then you can see that we exceeded the measured move. So if we do continue higher from here, I'm expecting the 2632 level, and that's where this prior high was also. So there's some confluence there. They might come back all the way over here to stop out the shorts who have the stop losses here, because if you take a short position up on top over here, you're going to be probably trailing your stop, meaning you lock in profits, you lock in profits, you lock in profits above these swings. So the market participants know that. So if they bring the market up here, all the way up to here, this price level, they know they can hit the stop losses of the sellers, and the stop losses of sellers are buy orders, which can add fuel to the fire. So I'm pretty sure a lot of traders are trying to hit those stop losses and trying to get a large move up. So it looks like we're going to see this trend continue. I don't think it's ending anytime soon, and maybe in the future, in a very long time, maybe in a few 2 to 3 years or 4 years, we make a new all-time high above this $50 level. So that's everything I have for ARLP. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised at what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.